We are back to introduce our second pattern of the year. It's already March, time is flying by, but this pattern has been in the works for a lot longer than just this year.
Yeah.
And it's been in my mind for even like a lot longer than that, because it's something that I've wanted for a long time and I've not quite seen a pattern out there that was
ticking all your boxes.
Exactly. I have to say that is a massive perk to be like, this is not exactly what I want, shall we make it? And this month we have. So I'm very pleased to introduce the Xanthe Skirt to our collection. We've all got our Xanthes on, which we've now decided that we're going to have like a Xanthe day a week or something.
Absolutely.
Well, we all wear Xanthes and look really cool, and
Yeah.
everyone else in the building doesn't know what's going on basically because we're all wearing the same outfits. So Xanthe is sort of a real classic denim skirt. We're all wearing the midi length, but she also comes in a sort of mini above the knee length as well. She's got a zip fly and back pockets and a shaped yoke as well. But her real star, are the pockets on the front. We just wanted to do something a little bit different than your standard jeans style pockets.
Yes.
So we've decided we're calling them kind of inset pockets.
Yeah.
They are. Yeah.
Describes it because they're not patch pockets, they're not inseam pockets, they're not welt pockets, they're not slanted pockets.
Not any of the pockets.
They are very cleverly constructed. I just fell in love with them as soon as you showed me the first one on the sample that you were making, and they come together. You don't quite understand
No, they come together so quickly.
so fast. Yeah. Really fun, and it just adds a little something. You know, you don't see that in the shops. Like, it's not a regular.
Exactly.
It's got a little je ne sais quoi.
That's it, and I find they're so like neat and flat.
Yes,
they sit really flat, but actually they're much like handy. My phone fits in there perfectly.
They're
still really big.
very roomy.
Absolutely.
But they don't add a lot of bulk.
No.
Yes.
And I love it. Yeah, they're just comfortable, aren't they?
That's it. That's why we're all still actually like this. But they're also a really good opportunity to show. We'll probably put a picture up in place to show some lovely top stitching.
Yeah.
There is a lot of top stitching if you want to use top stitching.
Oh, I didn't do. I mean, I top stitched, but not changing the thread. You know, that's what we mean when we talk about like contrast top stitching. So you can make a feature of it, or just go functional and blend it into the fabric. But I think if you've got the time,
it's
proper
so
top stitching looks
so
amazing. And you're kind of in the middle, so you've done like complementing top stitching.
So you can still see the detail.
I can see how neat it is.
Thank
You've done a very good job, but it's not like a completely different colour.
Exactly. Tonal. That's what we're going to say.
Lovely.
So Xanthe fabrics.
Many.
Many.
We're wearing already like 3 different things.
Yes, I've got a classic denim.
Yeah.
It's quite a light denim, I'd say.
Yes, that was 8 ounces if anyone's looking at denim. I've got a cotton canvas.
Nice. And I've got a cotton twill, I believe. Yeah.
But anything sort of trouser, or anything that you might make jeans out of, you might make the ultimate trousers out of. Stretch cottons, cotton canvas, denims.
I think corduroy.
Corduroy,
One
definitely.
of our pattern insiders made it in corduroy and it looks really
That's
good.
it. Emily's sample, the grey mini.
Oh yeah, that's corduroy as well,
corduroy.
of course. Amazing.
Yeah, cotton twills are going to be lovely.
Yeah.
Sort of anything with a little bit of weight to it.
Yeah.
But not like super chunky, just because you're going to have a lot of layers with the fly and things like that.
We think if you're brave, make a faux
please,
leather
make a-
version.
Yeah.
We think it would
Nice.
look incredible.
It would look gorgeous.
It would look amazing. Very cool. I think this is a cool skirt pattern.
I think
For
so.
me, I think it's got the cool factor, and I think the possibilities are endless in terms of what you can do with it. And we've got, so it's an intermediate pattern.
It is, yes.
In sizes UK 6 to 30. Intermediate because of the fly,
Pretty much, yeah.
the zip fly, which is, the thing is, you've only recently made your first zip fly.
Yes.
It's not as hard as you think,
No,
right?
it's one of those things that you think is going to be a bit overwhelming because you're looking at it and
It's like, what?
all these
Work.
layers. But you just get your pieces out, you just take it
Step by
step by
step.
step, and it's actually really satisfying.
Yeah,
to make.
really
It is
satisfying,
really
yeah.
satisfying. And hopefully we've got classes available
Exactly,
to you
we do,
to
that's
hold your
it.
hand through it.
So we've also had a bit of a tart up of our instructional
Yeah.
booklets, and now we're including any relevant links to any videos on Stitch School that might help you. So what Chloe was mentioning is that the Ultimate Jeans class on Stitch School was, so you can buy that on its own, or if you're a premium subscriber, you'll already have access to it. The zip fly construction on Xanthe is exactly the same as the Ultimate Jeans, so you can just hop on over there, and I think it's Becca that teaches that one.
Yeah.
She'll teach you.
Exactly.
Just have to say that
bit together.
So if you're struggling with written instructions, some people don't like written instructions, they prefer a video, you can hop on over. But also, if you're a basic subscriber, there's loads of links in there as well
for
to like
tutorials.
All the tutorials, things like top stitching, bar tacks, even like marking tools,
pressing with precision for the pockets.
Yes.
Yeah, loads of good stuff. And yeah, if you're a subscriber, you don't need to go and search for anything. Basically, you're just like go straight on it. And also the instructions look a little bit prettier. We've got pictures in there. There's a little bit more going on. So we hope that you like this new look. And going forward, we're going to try and do that with all of the patterns.
Yes. Yeah.
More interactive and inspiring. I guess a little bit more like our ebooks. Because we did that in the ebooks. We've got our beginner ebooks have all the links to Stitch School, and our capsule wardrobe ebooks have all the sort of inspirational pictures. So we've sort of combined that vibe to make the new Xanthe booklet. So we hope you like it. Let us know how you get on using all the different aspects of it. Shall we talk? Actually, in terms of Stitch School, we do have some new classes. Related to Xanthe, so they're all to do with the waistband. We've got how to draft your own curved waistband, which I've done on my version, for example. It's good if you've got a sway back. How to draft a curved waistband, which can be used on lots of different patterns, not just Xanthe. It was just a good example, and we thought, let's do it now. And then there's a few different finishes.
Yes, how to finish your waistband.
Yes.
So yeah, with all of our skirts, if you follow the instructions, there'll be a certain way of finishing it. It's been chosen because we like that kind of finish, but obviously there's loads of different ways to do something. So it's just having different options.
Exactly.
And I think you were saying that some of them might be a bit simpler, might be a bit quicker.
Definitely.
If you've short of time, or you just find, I don't know, if you just find one, putting the way that we've written out, that you just find that one really hard, you can just do a different option.
If you don't love hand stitching, because in a few of our patterns, then we suggest that you finish the waistband with hand stitching. We show you a way you don't have to.
But if you do love it, then carry on.
Carry on as you are. But yeah, new tutorials and old tutorials all in the booklet. You can have a look at that. And in terms of styling, shall we talk about how we've worn our Xanthe today?
Yeah, well, I've got mine with my Isabel top. So yeah, just I feel quite casual in here. I've got trainers on, and I feel like I just wear this every day. Really,
it's a good
comfortable
tucking in height for Xanthe, isn't it?
Because it sits on the waist here, so it feels like any kind of like just put a little floaty top. Tuck it in.
It's nice. You get like a tiny bit of blousing going on, which is nice. I've got my pussy bow blouse on, which I'm really pleased. I get to wear the. I also I know. I think there's this pink in this fabric, which works really well. But I was wearing it with my Roxy. I tried it on with my Roxy yesterday, and it was the perfect height. Black Roxy.
Amazing.
Just looks super neat.
So cute. And I've got it with a jumper actually. Speaking of Roxy, this is just the ready-to-wear jumper, but it's cropped length, and I think it sits very nicely. You can do a little tuck.
Yeah, it sits at your natural waist, doesn't it?
Yes.
So any nice, I've got quite a lot of summer tops that are quite cropped.
Yeah, you do.
And I think that'll work really well with it.
Your new cropped Frida top.
Oh yes,
that'll go nicely.
That's tomorrow's outfit sorted.
The Emily with the crop. That would be really nice in the summer, wouldn't it?
Definitely.
I think it's going to be quite a transitional one.
I think so, because I'm wearing it today with a jumper and tights, so I'm winter. You are more spring, the two of you.
Yeah,
you're almost summer.
I know. But I mean, you could layer it.
Floatiness.
You could have your Adele top underneath. Tuck it all in.
Adele looks great with this. Actually, we took some pictures. I think Salma and Emily both have it on with the Adele. Perfect with Adele, which of course you get as a free pattern if you join the VIP pattern club. And all our blouses really. Any pretty blouse will make the skirt more like what you're wearing. It will make it look more officey, I would say.
Yeah.
Any floaty blouse will be more casual, I think. And jumper, you'll still warm. So
She's an all-rounder.
She's an all-rounder. We love her. Go and have a look on Instagram for the versions made by us and by our pattern insiders. The hashtag is SOI Xanthe Skirt. And once you've made yours, because it doesn't take as long as you think.
No, not at all.
Not at all. Got parts that are a little bit, you have to take your time with it, like the fly, the zip fly, but it doesn't take ages, and it doesn't take much fabric.
No. So the smaller version, I think in a size 30 off the top of my head, it's 1.5 metres. And then the longer one's around 2.
You probably really have some fabric in your stash that you could use.
Yes.
What else is there to say? The hashtag, the booklet, the classes. We just absolutely love it. We hope you do too. We can't wait to see your versions, and let us know your thoughts on the pattern and on the booklet as well. Be good. And like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots of things coming up for you, and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye!
Bye!